still struggling. Yeah. It has not stopped.
Carly, did you see the little kids drive?
Yeah.
That's fun, huh? Okay, Ralph, we see you. So, where have I been for the past few months? My last video was in
winter.
my last recorded video was servicing the car. That was August, right? Yeah, that was in August. What has happened since then, that I filmed but I did not edit. So like I said in my Instagram post, I had no motivation, no creativity. I was flat. But yeah, just a quick rundown. So the Fiesta got coilovers. Yes, I should have filmed that. I did film it, but I didn't edit it, and if I post it now, it's late. Number two, I sold the springs and I helped a friend of mine install them. His car looks mint. What's next? Yes, we battled with the black car's gearbox and we lost, and it delayed us for another few months. That was completely demotivating. Finding parts again for this car is impossible. So yeah, that's that. We went to racetrack, we watched some races. That was fun, but it was ice cold. What else? We went to Stance in Festive 2025. That was fantastic. I filmed, but
Didn't edit.
I didn't edit again. It's January now, and I bought new tires for this car, and I'm about to put them on today. That's kind of where we are. You guys are caught up. So what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna put the tires on. The one rim over here has like a small hairline crack, so I'm gonna try and sort that out. And tomorrow, Dylan's coming through, and we are going to finally put the gearbox back together. Oh yeah, put the gearbox in the car and put the car back together, start it up, and hopefully she drives.
Made in no eyes,
So the gearbox is here. Okay guys, so we're on the road as you can see. We need to get the gearbox mount.
Check how he's driving. See how he's driving.
We need to get the gearbox mount in Boxburg, so it's about a 40-minute drive.
Okay, so we need to go and get this box. We're on our way back to Boxburg. We forgot the engine mount of the gearbox mounts. I forgot the gearbox mount. We took everything. We literally double-checked everything except that mount. I don't know if I probably thought it's by you.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Well, I even thought I had it, but then
so
I had to check footage from the last time
it's
to see that okay, we actually did forget it.
I know for sure it's there. So we're gonna go and get it, and stay tuned. Okay.
Okay guys, it's dark, my light doesn't work, but here we are. Gearbox, Pluto, Dylan, Kyle, Caitlin. I'm nervous, I don't know. I'm very nervous because I'm not too confident that the clutch is 100%. The clutch is fine, it wasn't wet or anything like that, but there's a few nicks around, so fingers crossed, yeah. I can smell fuel. So the car's not starting. So the guys are busy sorting this out. They're going to try and see if they can get it to start. It could be because there's old fuel, and the fuel is low. So I think we just have to buy fuel and then throw it in the car and start again. I mean, it swings strong. It wants to. And yeah, what else can I say? I'm not defeated yet. I feel okay.
Petrol. There's definitely petrol.
But
Yeah, it's fresh also, bro. No, wash out. Smell that.
oh, that's fresh petrol,
Look at
bro.
my forehead. Scream again. It's okay, it's okay. Wants to use.
Nuts. But it wants to. It did start.
It start.
It started. Come on. Guys, the car started for like a split second. So it's there, it's there. I think we just have to.
I think some
check it
fresh
out.
fuel.
Yeah,
Just
I think so.
maybe-
Some fresh fuel.
Check out the spark plugs also. Because they've been standing for you.
Yeah,
But I don't
check
think
it. I think we just have to go and put new fuel and then take it from there. So you guys will probably see that in the next few days. For us, it's the next few days. For you,
it's literally
just now.
yeah.
Yeah, but thank you guys for watching so far. I know this video is long, but
Thank you for keeping up with us.
I really need to get this car working right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. We try again another day.
Yeah, we'll come right.
We'll come out on top, please.
For sure, bro. For sure. But for today and for yesterday, we call it.
Thank you guys. Next one.